Good day, it's Graham Bibby here. Following on from yesterday's market analysis, I just had to get another Camtasia out to you. It's the 5th of March 2014, and you might recall yesterday I said that even though there was panic a little bit in Europe and a bit of a sell-off in the US, the uptrend was still intact, so I wasn't taking any action, and I just want to explain to you why and what I'm seeing at the moment. So let's just go to the Nasdaq, and what I was excited about was this was the previous high in January. Then we had all this negativeness in the markets breaking below support levels, and before we knew it, boom, 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 all these up days rising back above these support levels, which could have been resistance levels. And then we broke to new highs, and then normally what happens, you break above the high, is the arrow, you come back to test that level, then you go up again, and actually the big fall actually got us back to just above that level, and hey presto, we're at new highs. So yesterday I was saying don't panic yet, the trend is your friend. And as you see here, this is the S&P 500, top 500 companies. This is a resistance at the end of December to January, and hey presto, we broke through it, tested back, new high. Now I look at 46 different world markets because I want to keep abreast of everything. And I can tell you now, this is the European ETF. Look, it's breaking to new highs. Europe is picking up. I've told you about Thailand. This is the Thai market, the ETF, a new recent high for the year yesterday. I also told you about Indonesia yesterday, reached a new recent high. These markets are looking very, very good. Germany, it's still in that bit of a range. It's not in a downtrend. It's trying to pull higher. The markets are looking good to me. The world index, well, that's just breaking out to a new high. That's a composition and is weighted towards market cap, and that is also looking good. So for me right now, all of these markets look particularly good. I think this is an interesting chart when I put it onto weekly. This is the Commodity Research Bureau index chart. And you can see here, since 2011, it's been in a bit of a downtrend, and then we've had a breakout. That tells me the basket of commodities is now rising. That should mean there's global demand. This, I think, is a positive for the markets. Now, last but not least, I was the first one, and only one as I know, to signal the reversal in gold and silver at the beginning of January. And here we are, we're still in that positive uptrend. Silver slightly outperforming, that would be the new bottom there. And the gold and silver shares, like this one, I mentioned this a few times on Bloomberg's, Silver Standard Resources, and virtually at a new high. Beginning of the year it was 7, it's 1067. That's 3.67 up. That is somewhere in the region of 25% up. So looking very, very positive. Vietnam, still in that trend, but it's quite a small market, so I wouldn't get too excited there. And I'm looking for steel and iron to turn around. That's not so great, but overall, Dow Jones, S&P, this has gone above the resistance point I was worried about, and the Nasdaq seems to be leading the way. So I know many things out there that can happen. I'm not in the prediction business, but these charts, this is Hong Kong, which has been rebounding, these charts still look positive, and my undervalued superior earnings growth stocks in my insiders club look extremely good. I'll just, this is NXP Semiconductors, recent high up 3.45 as at last night. This is the rise since the beginning of the year. It's phenomenal. American Airlines have been talking about for ages. Look where it went from January to now, 3.3% last night. Activists, 3.34. United Rentals, 3.45. If you're not taking advantage of my insiders club, or you're looking to allocate more money, this is still a very good time to do it. I'm very, very focused. I have a great group of stocks ready to buy in addition to the ones I've got. So I'm looking to outperformed last year's return. And if you go to our website, you can see what that is. I did outperform all other managers in the same category of low risk, undervalued stocks. So Graham Bibby, quick Camtasia, 5th of March 2014. Hope you enjoyed it, and I want to keep you informed. I don't know anyone else who keeps their clients as informed as I do, and that's what I'm here for. So please contact me, any questions or any financial planning ideas or whatever. But for now, from the sunny paradise island of Phuket, bye-bye, and speak to you next time.